Welcome to the world of nuts and spices, where nature's bounty meets culinary delight. In this introductory video, we'll explore the rich diversity, flavors, and health benefits of these culinary essentials, along with delectable recipes. Nuts and spices have been cherished for centuries for their aromatic flavors and medicinal properties. From the kitchens of ancient civilizations to modern gourmet cuisine, they have played a pivotal role in enhancing the taste and nutritional value of our meals. From the buttery richness of almonds to the creamy texture of cashews, nuts come in a myriad of flavors and textures. Whether eaten raw, roasted, or incorporated into recipes, nuts are packed with essential nutrients like healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Now, let's journey into the enchanting world of spices. Spices are the aromatic treasures that add depth, complexity, and character to dishes. From the fiery heat of chili peppers to the warm sweetness of cinnamon, each spice brings a unique flavor profile to the table. Beyond their culinary allure, spices also offer an array of health benefits. Many spices possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, making them valuable additions to a healthy diet. Incorporating nuts and spices into your diet can promote heart health, aid digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and even boost cognitive function. Plus, they can elevate the taste of your favorite dishes without adding excessive calories or sodium. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, embrace the magic of nuts and spices in your kitchen and elevate every meal to new heights of flavor and nutrition. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures in our exploration of the world's pantry with all the delectable nuts and array of spices. Let the symphony of flavors and the dance of aromas inspire your culinary creativity. With nuts and spices as your companions, embark on a journey of gastronomic delight, where every dish becomes a masterpiece of taste and nourishment. Join us in our next video, How Cardamom Conquered the Culinary World, an aromatic story, where we unravel the mysteries behind this aromatic gem and discover its journey from ancient lands to modern kitchens. Thanks a ton for hanging out with us. Can't wait to catch you in our next video. Stay awesome and spice up your life till then.